Hello guys, today I have a technique for you. So when you edit, you should not you without zoom in and zoom out. Example, when you edit this guy, you need to zoom in, yeah, like Control Alt and uh, 0 plus 0, Control Alt scroll. So like this, yeah, you need to scroll in, so and do some editing. And you have to scroll out to see it is nice or not. Yeah, you see, you need to zoom in and zoom out, and you see it is not good, not good. You have to edit again. It's not good. Yeah, Control Z. And then you zoom in again. But I don't want to do this. It's you need to zoom in, zoom out. It wastes time. So I have a way for you. Just follow my steps. So you need to click on Window here, Arrange, new window. For this is the name of this file. See, click on new window for img here. So you have two files which is the same, and then you click on window again, arrange. You can flip horizontal or vertical or others. I want to be vertical, two up vertical. See here. So when you edit on this will change. When you edit on this image, this also will change. This image, is synchronized. Example, I want to edit on this. I want this zoom out. So when you do some change here, this also change. Example, you see, when you did on this always change. So you shouldn't zoom in or zoom out very fast. And when you change this always also change. So see, the same. It's very efficiency. Or you can change to arrange to up vertical. You need to do this again. This the same, or up vertical is up to you. Like this, you did this and keep this. It's still the same. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.